Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Commowner 3800 PSI electric pressure washer, 4.0 GPM, high power machine with all-in-one adjustable nozzle and soap bottle. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. Quick job. This professional pressure washer features an adjustable pressure nozzle and removable detergent tank. With 4-in-1 quick change-over nozzles to provide low to high pressure for washing a range of surfaces. No need to frequently replace nozzles for cleaning. The soap tank can be filled with your preferred detergent to boost cleaning power, enabling you to complete your cleaning tasks in minutes. Qualified product. Parts from USA, assembled in China. This electric power washer is equipped with a safety automatic total stop system, TSS, that conserves energy and extends pump lifespan by automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is disengaged. With a 33 feet power cord featuring an inline GFCI, anti-leakage protection device, this machine can be safely used on all exterior outlets. Please note that some products on the market do not have this device. Upgrade high-pressure hoses. We've amped up with a rubbery outer skin and a double-woven inner layer. Prior to leaving the factory, it endured an extensive 100,000 durability tests, proving its impeccable resistance with zero signs of wear and tear. Anti-toppling upgrade. We've strategically concentrated the product's weight at the base to ensure it stands tall, providing an optimized user experience by preventing any accidental tipping during use. Just 3 steps assemble easily and quickly. Save more time on product assembly and say goodbye to product leakage. Our upgraded offerings ensure a hassle-free leakage-free experience. Best choice. This product has achieved sales of 20,000 units this year, positioning it as the optimal preference for 30 million individuals. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.